Today I want to talk to you more about function claims. So, what is a function claim? In order to understand that, we need to know there are actually two ways for you to construct a claim. The first way is through function limits, then the second way is through structure limits. To give a quick example, let's take a look of this pen. If we're doing the claim through structure limits, what we're going to be talking about is just pretty much the physical structure, the physical characteristics of this pen. So in the claim, we might be covering what kind of materials this pen is made of and what kind of parts this pen includes, stuff like that. On the contrary, a functional claim actually include the following phases like means for, and configured to. So in a case like this, what we're going to be covering in the claim could be, well, my invention is means for writing things on a piece of paper. So why would anyone want to draft a functional claim? It seems to be quite obvious to us that drafting a function claim can give you a broader scope to describe your patents. So in the case of this pen, you pretty much covered all the inventions that meant for writing things on a piece of paper. But if you're using a structural approach, things can be dramatically different. Your competitors can simply change probably the material this pen is made of. They can change some small parts, some small configurations of the pen, and they're not gonna infringe any of your patents because they're doing things differently from what your claims describe. So when should we use the functional claims? Well, the first example could be we probably need them for electronic devices. Well, it's pretty self-explainable since the physical structure can be quite complicated for you to describe. There's so many parts and configurations that make drafting the claim so much harder. While doing a functional claim can be just dramatically easier if you just describe what this device is meant for doing. The second example could be we can use functional claims on softwares. Well, this also is quite easy to understand because many programmers, they can code things very differently while achieving the same result. So by having a functional claim on your software, you're actually protecting your invention in terms of the functionality rather than just the actual lines of codes. Hopefully this video is